So welcome! I'm going to teach you how to make a Minecraft server for free. It has 4 GB of RAM, which should be enough for about 20 players. I didn't face any issues. You just go into mcserverhost.com and click Create. Okay, then you start a free server here. It's 10 GB. I'd go for 8 players. I mean, I had no problems when we were playing with like 12 people. And yeah, let's start. Let's choose a name. You choose whatever you like. Then this is our subdomain. You come here and choose Bedrock or Java. Add a description, then you just do this here, launch server. And then you create an account. Let me just log in. Yeah, I just logged in, and it says my server is ready. So let's go to the dashboard. And yeah, just like this. Let's click Start, and it's now starting. We can see the dashboard here. Welcome to your new server. Let's choose Paper, and let's choose this version because I have it installed. Good, it's now finished. Let's start. It should work. You can view the console here. You can add files, download files, do pretty much anything in here. There's a lot of other stuff. You can also install server software like this here. And the plugins you can install from here or download and upload them to the file manager. You can also use mods and mod packs as well. Okay, and that's pretty much it. You copy your IP, you go here and just copy the string, then you join here, add server, and let's just add this. Let's try to join. And just like this, we have the server working. And before we finish, if you want to make the server work for offline players, you can do this. Go here to the file manager, then go down to server properties. Search for online mode. Okay, found it. Then you can enable the whitelist here, which I suggest you do because some random people could join your server and start griefing or anything like that, so I'd recommend enabling the whitelist. And yeah, find online mode here. Instead of true, you make it false and just save. Then you restart your server and people can join normally. Yeah, hope you liked this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.